How's it going, everybody? Thank you for coming. I'm so glad each and every one of you could make it. Today's video is a video about something I'm thinking about doing different, depending, of course, on who all wants to do it. So let's get to it. Now this is just an idea, it's not set in stone. I'm not 100% certain I'm going to do it, but I've already talked to several people and they really want to do it. So I thought I'd run it by you, and if you're interested in it, let me know and we'll go from there. But it's if you've watched my last video, and I'll put the link up there so you can check it out if you want to, I always try to do a little something to show my appreciation to all my subscribers. So once a year, twice a year, sometimes I do it more than that. But I'll ask for you to submit, you know, photos, videos, stuff like that of your cars. Doesn't matter if it's current, past, motorcycles, as in this case, got a couple snowmobiles. Doesn't matter what it is, bicycles, airplanes, tanks, whatever you got. But I ask you to send in those video clips, those photos and everything, and I'll put them in the form of a video, you know, edit it, put in a little bit of special effects and music, and show off your rides on my channel. Because I truly believe that if it wasn't for all of you, there would be no Camaro Time channel. So with that said, I am thinking about, rather than doing one video and just throwing everybody in it, I actually do a video per person. And what it would take is really very simple. Now, I'm not asking for a whole bunch of stuff. All I'm asking for is your car, whatever car you want to show off, multiple cars, one car, it does not matter. You can send in just photos. You can send in photos with video clips. You can send in narratives. You could talk about your car, whatever. Does not matter. The form is completely open. But what I will do is take your car, cars, motorcycles, whatever, the info that you give me, like if it's a special build, you've done something special to your car that you want everybody to know about, anything along that line, and put it in a your channel, your car specific, your name specific, your Instagram handle specific video. In other words, it's just for you. Like I said, I've already had 3 people sign up wanting to do it. They really like the idea. So it's trying to keep you out of the sun. So, you know, it's all go from them, but I don't want to do just 3. You know what I'm saying? If I can get, let's just say 12 to commit and send me the information, that gives me at least 1 per month that I can do. Like I said, to give back to you, the subscriber. If I can't get 12, you know, it kind of makes it hard, because you're sitting here dedicating a whole playlist, you know, stuff like that on your channel to, you know, 1 or 2 guys that want to be there, and I want to do it for them, and I probably still will anyhow, but I'm looking for at least a minimum of 12 people. And that will help me decide on whether I really want to put forth the effort, because, you know, it takes time to do these things. It takes time to collaborate with you to get the information, to get the photos. You know, you have to take the time to take the photos, the video clips, whatever you want in. You have to type out the information you want me to include in such video and all that stuff. So, you know, it's not just time on my part, it's time on your part too. And so, you know, I'm looking for at least 12 people. And if you don't want to do it, that's fine. It's just an idea I'm throwing around in my head. That, you know, that just allows you a place to put forth your content, your cars, and for me to give back to you. So if you're interested, leave a comment. Well, leave a comment below either way. Interested, not interested, good idea, bad idea, your thoughts, whatever. And if you're interested, be sure to let me know, and I will contact you, and we will work out all the pertinent information. So with that said, I'm going to leave this video with that, and we'll see you in the next one. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.